Hi, I'm Paul Youngert with Satellite Industries. Thanks for joining us in our How-To Truck series. Today, we're going to go over routine maintenance. Let's get started. Before you start your routine maintenance, it's important to thoroughly wash your truck inside and out. This will help you spot any cracks, rusts, or broken components that may have been hidden by dirt and debris. A weekly walk around is one of the most basic routine maintenance inspections that you can perform. You want to make sure that you're looking over any loose wires, leaky hoses, or damaged components. When flushing the vacuum pump, make sure to use the manufacturer's recommended flushing fluid. To flush, make sure that your vacuum pump is on and in vacuum mode. You'll then open the valve and allow one graduation to enter the pump and turn it off. You'll also remove and clean the pre-filter. You'll check for any debris or damaged O-ring. Be sure that everything's dry before reinstalling. Always verify the vacuum gauge is operational and easy to read. When the vacuum's in neutral, it should read 0. When in vacuum mode, it should read between 18 and 20 inches of mercury, and in pressure, 5 to 7 psi. When looking at the coupler, you're going to be looking for broken teeth, distortion, or rubber shavings. This is also where the PTO driveline is. Without the vacuum pump running, you'll want to make sure that there's no play in the driveline. While the driveline's running, you'll also want to listen for anything out of the ordinary, any vibration or if it's loose. When inspecting the gearbox, you're looking for leaks. Pay close attention to any seals and gaskets. You'll also want to make sure that the oil is approximately 1/3 of the way full. Remove the plug at the top, take a look inside. If your satellite vacuum truck is outfitted with a hydraulic pump, you need to ensure that the hydraulic oil is full. Some trucks are also outfitted with a cooler. Make sure that the cooler is unobstructed. Finally, during your annual inspection, check the filter and if needed, replace. During the monthly inspections, you'll want to inspect the primary and the inside of the tank. You'll definitely need a ladder for this one. Before inspecting, you'll also want to clean the tank out as best as you can. When inspecting the interior of the tank, please ensure that none of the welds are broken and there's no excessive debris. The primary shutoff should be clean, and you need to verify that the wing nuts, ball seal, and gasket are in good condition. Clean and inspect the secondary shutoff. Ensure that the ball, gasket, and seals are intact. At this time, you'll also want to drain. When inspecting your hoses, it's important to look for any cracks, leaks, soft spots, or bulges. If you find any of these, it's likely that they need to be replaced. You'll notice on all of our vacuum trucks, they're either outfitted with sight glasses or sight tubes. You'll want to make sure that the sight glasses are clean and the O-rings are in good condition. Sight tubes can sometimes crack or leak. Make sure that those are in good condition as well. When examining the vacuum pump mount and hardware, you'll want to ensure that all fasteners are secured and that none are broken or cracked. At this time, it would be perfect to check your welds and your mounting for your vacuum tank. If you see any cracking, report to Satellite immediately. Also note that there are 4 mounts on this truck. When inspecting the unit hauler, make sure to inspect the rubber latch and locking pin, that they're in working order and do not need to be replaced. This is also a great time to grease the hinges. It'll reduce friction and extend the life of your unit hauler. Some water pumps may be fitted with an inline filter. It's important to check for any clogging or debris. It's as simple as unscrewing, putting it right back in. When performing your walk around, make sure that you lubricate and grease all moving components, any latches, hose reels, or zerks. With your full system evaluation and pump performance test, please ensure that you're monitoring vacuum levels, oil consumption, temperature, and overall performance. If you notice any unusual sounds or behavior, immediately shut down the truck and diagnose the issue to prevent potential damage to the system. And that's a wrap today on routine maintenance. Thanks again for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 1-800-883-1123 or visit our website, satelliteindustries.com. Get to pumping, stay safe.